Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is actually my first video of 2023. So happy new year guys. I hope you guys have been good. So today I have a full get ready with me. I'm gonna do a Valentine's Day beginner friendly makeup look and hair installation. So today's wig is from Myfirstwig and I'm working with this blonde highlighted wigs. So the wig came pre-plucked, it came pre-bleached, so I really don't need to do anything to this wig aside from, you know, use my hot comb and install the wig. So the wig comes with an elastic band and it also comes with adjustable straps at the back of the wigs. This is what the wig looks like when it's on, and guys, this fits very snug on my head. I've not done anything to it aside from just adjust the straps at the back. This is what the hairline looks like. As you can see, it looks very good. So I'm just gonna go ahead, I'm gonna apply some wax stick actually, because you can see some flyaways. Guys, I've had this wig since last year. I was actually meant to do this video last year, but I was on holiday. I went to Nigeria and I had so much fun. So the wig also came with a pouch, and this basically has 2 hair clips and a tail comb inside it. First thing I like to do is to cut off the ear tabs. So any excess lace around my ears, I'm gonna cut that off. You can see now this should definitely go around my ears, like so. So this is what you want. Okay, so I've just applied some foundation just to help the lace match my skin tone, and you guys can see how good this looks. It really does match my skin tone. This even looks like scalp. Like, let me hide the lace. It looks like this is my scalp. It looks really, really good. And now I'm gonna go ahead and use my bedhead spray to spray this. So now I'm gonna take my comb and just use this to basically, you know, press the lace into my skin. So guys, like I said, this is a 13 by 6 lace front wig, so you can literally part this wig anywhere. You can have it as a middle part or a side part. It's very versatile. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and apply some wax stick to the top of the hair, you know, get the hair looking very sleek, very laid, and then I'm gonna go in with my hot comb to finish this off. Like, if you wear wigs, you should definitely have a hot comb by now, and if you don't, that is very questionable, because what are you doing wearing wigs without a hot comb? This is like an essential, like, it's needed, okay? So if you don't have one, go and get one. It's needed. But I remember before, like, I knew about a hot comb and stuff like that, I was using iron. Listen, I was using my curling wand. It was a curling wand I would use to like try and get my wigs to be flat. That wasn't working. Like, it would make it flat but not flat enough, obviously. So I would go in with my iron, like actual iron, and press my wig down, because one of my pet peeves is having a high wig. It's just like, why is your wig high? In this 2023, that should not be happening. I'm so sorry. Like, no. No, there's no reason as to why your wig is high. If you don't have a hot comb, you have an iron in your home. I'm sure you do. Use your iron, but just be careful, please. Don't burn yourself. Yeah, you guys can see how melted this lace is, okay? Like, it looks really good, fully melted. Okay, so now I'm gonna move on to makeup, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do my base off camera and then come back and show you guys the eye look and obviously the lip combo or whatever lip I decide to do, which I don't know just yet. But yeah, and that's because I want to do like a dedicated video showing you guys my updated foundation routine. So I'm gonna do my base off camera and then come back and show you guys how I do my eyes. Okay, so guys, I've done my base and I've done this eyebrow off camera. I do feel like I went a bit heavy on the blusher, but we're here now, so yeah. So I'm gonna start off with doing my brows first, and guys, nothing's changed. So I'm still using the Rimmel brow pencil in the shade black brown, and the trick is just to make sure that, you know, the brow pencil is sharpened at all times. And then I just go ahead and draw some strokes. I'm gonna go ahead and use some concealer to clean up my brows, and I'm using the LA Girl Pro concealer. Guys, I've been loving this concealer recently. I don't know why, like I just picked it up when I was going on holiday and I'm back to using it again. So I'm gonna use the shade Toast to clean up my brows. And then I'm just gonna drag what's left on the brush and apply that all over my eyelid. This is gonna act as my eyeshadow base. Is as simple as that. Just always remember to go in with a very light hand, and obviously if you need to make your brows look darker, you can always just go in and do that. But just a light hand, like I'm barely holding the pencil. I'm gonna go ahead and use some setting powder and just set my brows and my eyelids as well. I literally apply the tiniest amount. Okay, so I've just done this eye off camera, so now I'm gonna show you what I've done. It's literally so simple. So I'm gonna take the bronzer from this palette. So this is the NARS Summer Unrated Blush Bronzer Duo, and I'm just gonna take that bronzer and literally just go in and buff this into my eyelid. And I'm also dragging that shade down the bridge of my nose. I don't know if you guys can see the difference. I feel like when you drag your eyeshadow down the bridge of your nose, yes, you've contoured, but this kind of just adds to snatch your nose even more. I'm going to take a smaller brush and apply that same bronzer down my lower lash line and drag it out to join up with the one at the top like so. I'm going to take this shade right here and just apply that. I'm gonna go back in and blend around, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and just do my eyeliner. Guys, this is a two-step eyeshadow look. So simple, so easy, very beginner friendly, and you can definitely achieve this. But if you want to take it to the next level because you feel like, you know, maybe you want it just a bit more intense, what you can do is just to go in and apply a darker brown around your crease. Take some eyeshadow and pop that in my tear duct. I can't remember the last time I did this, but okay, so guys, so we're nearly done. I've got my lashes on now, and now I'm gonna move on to my lips. I'm gonna line my lips with the Sleek Lip Dose Soft Matte Pencil, should I say. The shade is Carnage. I really like using this to line my lips because it's so creamy and it literally just glides on, and it's like the perfect brown shade as well. I'm gonna go ahead and use the Collection matte liquid lipstick, and the shade I'm using is Secretive 2. Okay, so now to finish that off, I'm gonna go in with the e.l.f. lip plumping gloss, and the shade I'm using is Pink Paloma. Okay, so that's me done when it comes to my makeup. So just to finish off my hair, I'm just gonna go ahead and apply some concealer down my middle part, you know, just to make it stand out a bit more. And then yeah, and that brings me to the end of this video. So like I said, this wig is from Myfirstwig, and this is the blonde highlight wig. So this is a 16-inch bob, and the density of the wig is 130. I feel like that is just the perfect density for this wig. And this wig, tell me this wig is not cute. This is definitely a cute wig for Valentine's Day. This looks very, very cute, and everything comes pre-done for you. It comes pre-plucked, pre-bleached, pre-styled. So literally all you need to do is just to install the wig, you know, go in with your hot comb here and there, and you have your wig, literally. And the fact that I've not had to do any baby hairs as well, like the lace has melted into my skin perfectly, and the hairline is just on point because it came pre-plucked, so I didn't touch the hairline. This is exactly how it came, and it just looks really, really good. So it's just giving off that clean hairline type of vibe, basically. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll make sure to list all the links that you guys need in the description bar below. And once again, this wig is from Myfirstwig, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know what you guys think of this simple eye look that I've done today, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.